Hey students, this is a short screencast to show you how to publish your PSA once you've completed it. You can see mine is in editing mode down here. You can see I've added an additional track for the reflection, which you don't have to do yet, but you'll see in step 10, in the next step. But anyway, so let's say I'm all done, and I watched it through a couple times. I made little changes to make it as perfect as could be. Then I'm going to go right here and click Finish. And to tell you the truth, I never really see the difference between these two, so you can pick either one. I know there's a difference, but I don't notice it when I watch the video, so I'm just going to keep it on standard here. If you've already enabled your YouTube channel, and if you know how, you can click YouTube. But if you haven't, your school YouTube account, then you can just leave that off. But do make sure you select Google Drive. So this one right here, that's going to be the important one here. And then you just click Finish. And it'll take a few minutes. So I'm just going to leave it there like that. And let's imagine a few minutes has passed. And now it's time for me to embed it on my website. In my Google Drive, I pulled up the website I built previously in this step, and remember I've got these different pages which I can navigate over here or over here, and so my PSA contains information about what people can do if they want to help make a change. So I'm going to put it in my call to action page. If you addressed the counterclaim and refuted it, you can put it on your counterclaim page. If your PSA is all about why the issue that you researched is an important issue, it can go on Why is it an issue page. So then I'm going to go to Insert, and I'm going to insert something from my Google Drive. And you're just going to have to find your PSA in your Google Drive. And so here it is, and I'm just going to click it and click Insert. Alright, and it's going to insert from my Google Drive onto my page, and you can resize it like so. Right, and then that's it, you're done. At some point, well, never mind. At some point, we're going to actually hit publish, and we're going to have to think of a good URL, a good address for our site, and you'll have to submit that sometime, but that'll be in a future step. So, alright, that's it. Good luck.